I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Welcome. Anda memasuki area pt.narakata rimba, luas 65.000 hektar. Ini ke kanan sana air terjun juga, tapi lebih pendek. Nah, sana yang lebih tinggi. Jadi ada dua ya. Kalau lurus itu lebih tinggi air terjunnya. Ini yang lebih pendek. Ini pintu masuknya. Luar biasa pokoknya. Jauh sekali. Halo kawan-kawan, welcome back my channel Kakek Somplak. Seperti biasa, kali ini kakek mau camping ke air terjun. Ini baru nyampe nih, baru nyampe. Tuh. Mantap kah? Ini baru nyampe. Sekarang jam 10.48 ya. Baru nyampe. Kakek berangkat dari rumah itu kemarin malam. Kemarin malam sekitar 7:30. Jadi sempat nginep di wahau, di warung. Ntar lagi dari warung berangkat sekitar jam 6, karena sampai sini jam 10.48, hampir jam 11. Jadi berapa jam tuh? Lumayan ya. 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 jam. 4 jam dari wahau ke air terjunnya. Belum lagi dari rumah. Perjalanan hampir 1 hari. Nah, ini jalan turunnya ya. Jalan turun. Oke, sudah ada tangga-tangganya. Asik. Ini air terjun Narakata. Lokasinya di Wahau, kecamatan Wahau, kabupaten Kutai Timur, Kalimantan Timur. Suara gemuruh airnya sudah terdengar. Kawan-kawan, sudah sampai di air terjunnya. Lewati tangga. sekarang menuju ke bawah. Ya. Mantap. Ini yang di bawah. Itu yang di atasnya. Oke. Mantap tah. Oke kawan-kawan. Sudah sampai ya. Jadi kami mau pasang tenda. Persiapan buat ya segala macam lah. Kalau kawan-kawan sudah biasa camping tahu lah apa yang dipersiapkan. Oke, kita intip lagi air terjun di belakang. Mana? Gak kelihatan. Mana? Tuh, belakang tuh. Lebar gak? Nantilah kita dekati lagi. Kita siap-siap mau pasang tenda.
My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Pernah ke sini ya?
This is a statement to appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind to take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life I wanna be soaring to feel sun inside when it's pouring, and I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah, I just wanna be
Sudah pernah ke sini belum? Air terjun Narakata nih, Kalimantan Timur. Wahau. Kalau belum pernah ke sini, nyesel. Mantap tuh.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'm tired of my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be a dead man. Stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to games, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to games, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Yang lap ya makannya. Makannya yang lahap, kenyangin, biar minyak tidurnya. Makan. Kasian ya, anak orang makan di hutan. Hutan. Kalau ini biasa sudah, ini orang hutan tuh memang ini. Kalau di hutan tuh makanannya ya nasi Indonesia sama ini. Sudah. Karbohidrat sama karbohidrat. Oke, lanjut. Ini enaknya nih explore malam, biar seru gitu kan. Cuma masalahnya pacetnya banyak leh. Aku tadi sudah kena pacet berapa kali, sudah digigit pacet. Darah-darah kaki kena pacet. Karena hutannya masih alami nih. Kalau hutan sudah pernah kebakar, sudah pernah kena tebang, biasanya pacetnya nggak ada. Kalau belum pernah kebakar, belum pernah ditebang, pacetnya banyak. Jadi eksplornya di sini aja ya. 3 orang, satu di tenda, 2 di hammock.
your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
bisa datang menikmati air terjun. Oke, see you next time guys.
Mana kesan-kesannya Bang Pandu?
Kesannya sangat seru sekali, pengalaman baru yang luar biasa, air terjun yang sangat indah. Semoga kita diberi kesehatan dan kesempatan untuk menikmati wisata yang lain. Terima kasih.
Dan ini air terjun Narakata, kecamatan Wahau, kabupaten Kutai, timur. Jadi kami camping di sini 2 hari 1 malam, 3. Oke, terima kasih banyak bisa simak video ini. Kawan-kawan yang belum pernah ke sini, silakan buka Google Map, langsung cek lokasi. Perjalanan lumayan banyak, lumayan lama. Sekitar totalnya sekitar 8 jam perjalanan dari Sangatta loh ya. 8 jam perjalanan tanpa kendala. Oke, bye bye. Itu aja.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with the knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.